Knowing your cost per square foot is a challenge that a lot of us are facing when it comes to pricing out our cleaning services. But unless it's something that you can commoditize like stripping and waxing floors or window cleaning, I suggest that you stay away from bidding by the square foot, but it's important to know this information. So we are here in step number 3 of clean proposals in the price calculator, and we are on option 1 of step 3, which is the do-it-yourself calculator. So what I've done here is I've gone in here and added my expenses for my labor. I've added my labor types. We inspect what we expect. And then I have trainers because that's a labor cost. And then we have our frontline custodians. We pay more than minimum because we don't expect minimum. I gave them adequate cleaning times. And then we have our additional expenses down here. Then we have our profit margins. I like to be at 35% or more. Here's our revenue. And then here's what we're charging to our customer. Now, if you know the cleanable square footage, now the software is going to tell you what you're charging per square foot. And what you can do here, so that you can enter the cleanable square footage. So let's say it's 65,800. You can put that in there. And the software tells you what you're charging per square foot. So 75,000. You see that changing there. And if you want to bid by the square foot, you can just simply go in here. Let's say you want to see what it would be like at 29 cents a square foot. So we can just enter in 29 cents. And you can see if you clean this building at 29 cents a square foot with these costs, you would be losing money. You would lose $851.48, and this would be the charge to your customer. So you can see why bidding by the square foot alone is not a good idea, but knowing it, knowing your price per square foot does definitely help. So in order to be healthy on this particular account, you're going to have to be at a positive number here. So we can do it this way. Let's say you want to make, $3,500 on the job. That'll give you 13% profit margin. Let's say that's not enough. Let's say, what is 30% here? So 30% profit margin will give you $9,600 and some change and 43 cents a square foot. Never bid by the square foot alone when it comes to janitorial. But if you need to know what you're charging per square foot, or if you want to charge by the square foot after you've costed out your job, you have all that power right at your fingertips with Clean Proposals. Make sure you sign up for your free trial.